For centuries, we've followed the same blueprint: go to school, get a degree, find a stable job, and work until retirement. But what if I told you that blueprint is dying and fast? The world of work is changing at an unprecedented speed. Traditional jobs are vanishing. Automation, artificial intelligence, and the digital economy are rewriting the rules. So, if you're still thinking like the last generation, you're setting yourself up for failure. Let's talk about why traditional jobs are collapsing. From factory workers to accountants, AI is doing jobs faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. Self-checkout machines replaced cashiers, chatbot is replacing customer support, and even doctors are using AI to diagnose diseases. Companies realize they don't need giant office buildings or full-time employees. Why hire one expensive specialist when you can outsource the same job to a freelancer for a fraction of the cost? Tech startups are launching with tiny teams, leveraging AI to automate operations. That means fewer jobs, but bigger profits for those who adapt. So if traditional jobs are dying, what comes next? The good news is, while old jobs disappear, new opportunities are exploding. More people are making a living through content creation, social media, and digital products. YouTube, TikTok, and personal branding are now legitimate careers. Instead of fighting AI, the smart ones are learning to work with it. AI-assisted marketers, AI-powered consultants, and data analysts are in huge demand. The barriers to entry have never been lower. You can build an online business with just a laptop and an internet connection, selling courses, ebooks, or even AI-generated content. Doctors, engineers, and coders will still be needed, but only those who evolve with new technologies. The future belongs to those who can adapt. So, how do you prepare for this new reality? Here's what you need to do right now. Multiple income streams are the new safety net. Build skills that allow you to freelance, consult, or launch a side hustle. AI isn't coming, it's already here. If you know how to use it, you have an edge. If you ignore it, you'll be replaced. The best investment isn't stocks or real estate, it's you. Read, learn, and adapt, because knowledge compounds faster than money. Whether it's an online course, a YouTube channel, or an AI-powered business, the future belongs to those who create, not just consume. The death of traditional jobs isn't a crisis, it's an opportunity. The question is, will you evolve or will you be left behind? The choice is yours. If you found value in this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay ahead of the game. The future belongs to those who prepare for it.